a picture perfect day.
Put the paper towels down. Try to wipe that up as best you can before we get the leaves out of there. Get this fucking leaf out of there.
Trouble hit fast.
Matter of fact, hold on. Get the hand blower and blow it off. Blow as much material back onto the driveway as you can. Don't be leaving footprints. Be careful where you step.
Real bad. Could have been a nightmare. Could have ended very sad. But I jumped in quick, cleaned it up like a pro. Now I'm showing you the tricks you really gotta know. So stick around tight, 'cause before we're through, you'll learn how to fix a mess like the pros do.
Yeah. No. Hey. Now get the paper towels and wipe that up as best you can. Don't smear it off to somewhere it didn't belong. It wasn't there in the first place. Get some new towels. Throw those away. Throw them to the side.
Yeah, the
Throw them
job
on the
looked
wall.
good.
Anywhere.
Sun shining bright, the lines were straight, everything was just right. Then one wrong move turned calm to panic. Sealcoating life
Almost done.
gets so dramatic. First thing you gotta do when disaster spills is keep you cool and breathe real deep.
New towel.
Contain the
New
mess
towel.
before it creeps. Don't let it run wild on down the street. Grab your blower, sweep it up real quick. Push that puddle back is your best defense. Control the flow and tighten the seam. This is where a pro stays cool but not always clean. Wet and wipe it up as quick as you can. Rinse and repeat to clean up complete. Man on hands and knees. Neatness be damned. That's the price of the job when the shit hits the fan. Wet and wipe up, don't skip a beat. Rinse and repeat until cleanup's complete.
Push it further onto the material, a little further onto this driveway.
Wipe it up with every towel you've got.
I'll get it with the brush, never
That's why
mind.
you
Now
carry
start
paper by
hitting that with the
the lot.
water. Start hitting with the water and wiping it up.
'Cause trouble hits hard when you save the day. Missed it lightly, not too much flow. More water just makes the river grow. Just enough to loosen a lift. Push it together like gathering drift. Oh my God, what did you do? The moment it hits you, the panic is true.
Let me see
But
that.
you can't lose your head. Not here, not now. This is when skill shows you how. Wet and wipe as quick as you can. Rinse and repeat to clean up complete. Man on hands and knees. Neatness be damned. Keep on grinding till the mess is all can. Wet and wipe, don't skip a beat. Rinse and repeat until cleanup's complete.
That's called carelessness. I mean, sometimes every once in a while that might happen. I kick the valve or something, but it happens. Now hit it with, yeah, I guess. Might have been sitting with the valve pointing straight down. I don't know.
Should always
I didn't see how it happened.
You gotta watch your wand and your valves avoid fails. Turn it back 1 second. Pay the price. Experience ain't luck. It's all sacrifice.
Hit it with more water.
Is small enough to fight. Not a runaway river disappearing from sight. If you're lucky, this mess won't ever return. But if it does, here's what you can learn. Here's what you can learn. Taint it fast, don't let it spread. Stay calm while chaos fills your head. Brush, wipe, spray, repeat the plan. This is the mark of a seasoned man. Down on the pavement, hands covered in black, just keeping disaster from turning you back. Nobody teaches this except for the pros. It's the cleanup dance that old sealers know. Wet and wipe as quick as you can. Rinse and repeat to clean up complete, man. On hands and knees, neatness be damned.
All right, hit it with water again. There's some wet spots up there.
Don't admit defeat. Rinse and repeat till the cleanup's complete. Yeah, rinse and repeat till you turn disaster into clean, neat street.
Figures, last job of the season. I was wondering what was going to fuck up. I should have known.
You can't freeze up when the panic hits hard. You gotta stay sharp.
Let's see what we got under that
Gotta
tape.
play that card. One bad moment can cost you the day, unless you know the pros right away. If you're learning from the things we show, drop a comment below. Let us know. We've got thousands more where this came from. Keeping the training videos coming strong. When disaster hits, don't lose your stride. Sealcoat University is right by your side. From basic tricks to pro techniques, we'll show you how to fix the worst leaks. If you were there, what would you do? Tell us in the comments, we want your view. And if these videos help you day to day, hit like and subscribe. We'll teach you the way. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, disaster comes quick, but knowledge is king. With the right skills, you can handle anything. Sealcoat University.com. Come join the crew. We're here to train, teach, guide, and build the next pro
Disaster averted.
like you.